Samsung Galaxy X will replace Galaxy S10 in 2019. Name changes are coming. Apparently, Samsung will rename its 2019 flagship the Galaxy X rather than the Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxy X has been on the cards for a long-ass time. First, it was rumored to land in 2016, then 2017. And now it looks as if it will actually land in 2019. But the big humdinger is this: the Galaxy X will apparently replace the Galaxy S10 in 2019. This isn't official. But word of the change apparently comes via South Korean tipsters, and given what Apple did with its iPhone X, it does kind of make sense. X equals 10 in Roman numerals. It's also pretty cool looking, so switching to Galaxy X in 2019 kind of makes sense. But Samsung's SX brand name is one of the most well-known in the phone space. Next to Apple's iPhone, Samsung's Galaxy S range is the most well-known and visible brand in the technology space right now. And this has been the case since about 2012. Where things get a little more interesting is that the Galaxy X is thought to be Samsung's first ever commercial phone that features a completely flexible and foldable design. If this is true, it'd mean Samsung's 2019 flagship will not only pack in brand new specs and features but also a potentially market-altering new design language that will almost certainly have huge ramifications for everybody else in the space. And this is risky too, because Samsung's Galaxy S range is its biggest selling and most popular. Get the Galaxy X wrong, a big possibility given its new form factor, and this would make the Galaxy Note 7 fiasco look like a cakewalk. I'm receiving judgment on this for now, but I will admit it is a very tantalizing tale that certainly merits further thought and deliberation. It would definitely be a hugely ballsy move by Samsung, and if it got it right, the benefits could be enormous for the company, potentially helping it to redefine the phone in 2019.